This is how you save a video to the Files app. First, you want to find a video that you want to save. And then once you're there, you want to tap on this up arrow to share it. And then you want to scroll down until you see Save to Files right there. Tap on that. Now it's going to show you a list of files. We're currently in the Downloads folder. If we tap back, we can go all the way back. We see iCloud Drive, Downloads, On My Phone. Let's use On My Phone since we want it on the Files app on the phone. Here we see Save As, and there's the name. If we tap on that, we can change it. Let's call this one Goal, because that's what happened in the video. And then tap on Save. And now if we if we close the Phones app and then open the Files app, if you can't find it, just search for using the Spotlight search right down here. Tap on there and search for Files. It'll show up. Now if we go out to the main list, we have On My Phone. And under On My Phone, we now have Goal. And there it is. We saved it to our files. If you find that your iPhone is going a lot slower than it used to, it might have a virus or malware on it. This video right here shows you how to figure that out and how to fix it if there is a virus or malware. So check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.